Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your PlayStation Network online ID. Before you do this, do know that there could be issues with some of the games and features once you change your online ID. This could be losing access to content that you've acquired for certain games, your progress made, trophies, or even possibly certain games not functioning properly at all. Luckily, it doesn't appear to be affecting too many titles, but I'll put a link in the description below to the PlayStation page that covers any known issues. Once you're ready to change your online ID, head to PlayStation.com and select Sign In on the top right. Sign in with your sign-in ID, which is your email. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, it will then text you a 6-digit code to verify. Once you're logged in, select your profile picture and then hit Account Settings. In here, select Profile on the left. At the top of this section, you'll then see Online ID. Click Edit to the right of your name. A pop-up window will then prompt you with the info that I mentioned earlier about possible game issues. It also lets you know that you can change your online ID only once for free, and after that there's a charge. Select I accept and then continue on the next page. The next window is where you can check the availability of your new ID. It also tells you how long that you've had this ID. Enter your new online ID and hit Check Availability. If the new online ID is available, hit Confirm on the next page. You'll be signed out of the PlayStation Network on all of your devices, so you'll have to log back in. Your old online ID will also appear with your new one for the next 30 days. And that's how you change your PlayStation Online ID. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.